si Lucas, luluto tayo ng butter shrimp. Butter shrimp. Tara, luto na tayo. Una, need natin ng garlic. More garlic, more masarap. Need more balatan. Kailangan natin ng mais, tsaka kamatis. Siyempre, kailangan natin ng shrimp, tomato paste, tsaka butter. Buksan natin yung butter. More butter, more masarap. Kailangan natin to. Hiwain ng mais at kuluin natin to. Ground natin yung garlic. Guys, tapos ilalagay ng butter. At iluto ng garlic. The smell is so good. At ilalagay natin yung shrimp.
Galing nga, naging orange ka dyan.
At lilipat natin yung lutong shrimp. Luto natin yung sauce. Parang okay na. At sasamahin lahat. Hayaan natin yung luto. Ikaw na, kain na. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.